Hi, I am Dr. Anand Bhardwaj, the world's highest qualified Vastu consultant with over 39 years experience in scientific, technical and authentic Vastu Shastra. I welcome to all of you to the new professional and complete series on scientific Vastu program. Friends, as I told you that if you need to ponder upon any Vastu factor, just type the Vastu factor with my name and click on the search. And instantly you will get the real, accurate, scientific and authentic knowledge on the topic in a very short time. I have been to many countries worldwide for giving my expert advice on commercial and residential Vastu. It is very easy for any Vastu consultant to advise on making a building on a new plot as per Vastu bylaws. But what about the already built up houses and commercial complexes? Most of the Vastu consultants advise demolition, but I never. How? Because I also deal in Vastu collections without demolition, which is very effective. Today, I will take another new topic on trees. You must have seen the Vastu consultants talking about the variety of trees and plants, and they talk about the positive and negative vibrations being emitted by these trees and plants. I would like to remove the myth, the superstitious myth from your mind. You are looking at the farmhouse which is filled with lot of trees. Fruit trees are there, flower trees are there, plants are there, grass is there, everything is there. At my left side you are looking at this. This is the chiku plant and the other one is lemon plant. The third one is guava. Then mango plant is there. So, and then one plant of amla plant. Amla tree is there. At my right side, again you are looking at this peach plant, the orange, the chiku, quino is there, and blackberry is there. Of course, there are a variety of trees. All the trees are positive. Then why Vastu consultants differentiate the plants and trees? Let me clear. Any tree which is emitting negative vibrations with its milky substance, with thorns or with the height. Suppose the high trees are located in east and north, they shall block the positive vibrations coming from north and east. So if you are planting heavy trees, heavy plants, just try to concentrate on using these plants or trees in only south and west, not in north and east. All plants are good. If you are scientific and you want to know the logic, all the plants are positive because they give us oxygen. Man cannot live without oxygen, and trees and this greenery is the biggest source on this earth that gives us oxygen. So instead of going for the superstitious explanation, just use your mind, just go for the logic and use all these trees, all these plants which are looking very nice. Our aim is to remove curtain from the baseless myths. Normally you must have seen Vastu consultants using only direction compasses. But I can only show the directions, nothing else. Then how one can talk about the invisible vibrations? Yes, your curiosity is genuine. You shall be very surprised to know and to see these instruments in my hand which are capable of sensing positive and negative vibrations without any superstitious explanation. We will see you in the next program. Till then, thank you and bye. Thank you and take care.